Hey guys, so welcome to yet another natural hair tutorial, guys. I don't have a title for this video yet, but from the thumbnail you have an idea of what we are going to be doing today. So yeah, so basically all you need to do, or all you need to have for this hairstyle, is a rattle comb and your edge control, and basically hair extension. That's all. So what you see me doing right now is parting my hair straight down in the middle, and I'm trying to get the perfect line in front. As to the back, no one cares, like no one sees it really, so it doesn't really make sense to waste time, to get the back really straightened when the front is what people would see and focus on. Let me give you a pictorial of how this hair is all about. So you need two small size cornrows on each side, and then one big cornrow connecting or joining both cornrows all the way to the back. For this hairstyle, we'll be doing two small cornrows on each side, so two on the right and two on the left. And then when we are done, we are going to braid one big cornrow all the way to the back, and as we are braiding to the back, we'll be adding the two cornrows that we did previously, so that's like it joins in, if that makes sense. That's it, we are done. That's it for this hairstyle. Nothing too special, nothing too complicated. If you're a braider, this should be easy for you. If you can't do cornrow, you can do flat twist or anything to make your hair look like lay flat. You don't have to really do cornrow, you can do flat twist and still have the same look. So that is it. This hairstyle is for lazy people like me, because this fussy hair texture, it's giving me tough time. I don't really know how to even style it when I'm going to work and all that. So when this style just came in my mind, I was like, let me just grab it and try and show you guys, because I'm sure some of you will be having issues with styling your hair. If not for weave or braids, you want to leave your hair on for some time, at least you can try something to change your looks a little bit and not have the same look all the time. You can do this. It doesn't really take time. I was even surprised. Upon all the videos that I do, it takes me hours to film, but with this very one, less than an hour, to be frank with you, less than an hour, I was done filming this tutorial, and that shows that it didn't take time at all. So you guys can see it's really simple. It's a simple natural hairstyle, really simple. So yeah, just watch the video, guys. Everything I have explained and you get an idea. So for the extension that I used in this particular video, it was hair sent to me by Trendy Tresses somewhere last year or last 2 years, if I could remember. They sent me this hair to try on for crochet braids. I did, and I still had some pieces left around, so I decided to use it, because I was looking for this curly kinky texture. But if you don't have this Trendy Tresses, of course you may not have it, just use kinky bulk, perfect, or Mali hair, perfect, so that you can, if you want it big, like the two sides to be a little bit bigger, or you can use outre braiding hair and curl it afterwards, so you can still get the same effect. See, I'm giving you options. You see, inexpensive, you don't have to spend much on this hair. A pack of kinky bulk, you can get it for 15 cedis for 10 inches and 20 cedis for the 20 inches. Sorry, you can get outre braiding hair for 13 cedis. It's better than buying weave, and you can have this on for a week and decide to change it on, because I have a lot of natural hairstyle for you guys. You have no idea. I have a lot, and week by week I will be releasing it for you, so that at least every week, come on here, watch a new hairstyle, do it, and take it to work the following week. That is what we are going to be doing. So let me know if you find this video helpful, and if you have any hairstyle ideas that you want me to try also, don't forget to leave it down below in the comment section, and I'll make sure to film it for you guys. Okay. So once I was done, I just went ahead to lay my edges. I did it before, like braiding, but it still wasn't laid well like I want. So I just went ahead to do that part, and this is the finished look. Like, guys, I'm looking bougie. I love this hairstyle, guys. Like, it's giving me so much vibe, you know. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on next week. Bye.